Sports. Here are some popular sports around the world. This is basketball. Football in British English, soccer in American English. Tennis. Baseball. Golf. Volleyball. Boxing. Table tennis or ping pong. Sports locations. We play basketball on a basketball court. We play golf on a golf course. We play baseball on a baseball field. We play tennis on a tennis court. We play football or soccer on a football or soccer field. We play volleyball on a volleyball court. We do boxing in a boxing ring. We play ping pong on a ping pong table. Sports equipment. This is a hoop, and you need a hoop to play basketball. This is a racket. These are clubs. This is a bat. This is a ball. A net. Gloves. A paddle. People in sports. This is a player. An opponent. A coach. A referee. A captain. A winner. A loser.